For Clermont homeowners, energy bills can rise quickly, especially with the region's hot, humid summers and occasional cool winters. While most people focus on upgrading HVAC systems or insulation to cut costs, one of the most impactful home improvements is often overlooked: energy-efficient window installation. Beyond the immediate comfort benefits, energy-efficient windows provide significant long-term savings that make them a smart investment. Lower monthly utility bills. The most noticeable savings from energy-efficient windows come in the form of reduced monthly energy costs. Traditional single-pane windows or outdated frames allow conditioned air to escape while letting outside air in. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, consuming more electricity and driving up bills. Energy-efficient windows use features like double or triple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames to reduce heat transfer. In Clermont's humid climate, this means your air conditioning won't need to cycle as often to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Over time, these lower energy bills can add up to thousands of dollars in savings. Reduced HVAC wear and tear. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money on utilities, they also help extend the life of your HVAC system. When your windows better insulate your home, your air conditioner and heating system won't need to run constantly. This reduced strain leads to fewer breakdowns, lower maintenance costs, and a longer lifespan for your equipment. For many homeowners, delaying the need for costly HVAC repairs or replacements is one of the biggest long-term financial benefits of upgrading windows. Increased property value. Energy efficiency has become a top priority for today's homebuyers. By installing high-performance windows, you're not only saving money for yourself but also increasing the resale value of your property. Prospective buyers in Clermont often look for homes that are already equipped with modern, energy-saving features, and upgraded windows can give your home a competitive edge on the market. Additionally, energy-efficient windows boost curb appeal with sleek, modern designs that complement your home's architecture. The combination of visual appeal and practical savings makes them a worthwhile investment for long-term financial gain. Protection against damage and replacement costs. Older windows can allow moisture to seep into your home, leading to costly issues like wood rot, mold, or damage to walls and flooring. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced sealing technologies that reduce the likelihood of leaks and moisture intrusion. By preventing these issues, you avoid expensive repairs that could otherwise eat into your budget. Furthermore, many energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, cracking, and weather damage, common problems in Clermont's climate. This durability means you'll spend less on window repairs and replacements over the years. Added comfort and health benefits. While financial savings are a major benefit, energy-efficient windows also improve your overall quality of life. By reducing drafts, blocking outside noise, and minimizing indoor hot spots, these windows create a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment. Many energy-efficient windows also block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. By preventing damage to your interiors, you save money on replacements and repairs while maintaining a healthier, more enjoyable living space. Final thoughts. Installing energy-efficient windows in your Clermont home is more than just a home improvement, it's a long-term financial strategy. From lower utility bills and extended HVAC lifespan to increased property value and reduced repair costs, the savings quickly outweigh the upfront investment. If you're looking for a way to reduce monthly expenses while adding value and comfort to your home, energy-efficient window installation is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Over time, the benefits pay for themselves, helping Clermont homeowners enjoy both comfort and cost savings year after year.